You're watching today's video technical update presented by FXTimes. It is Monday, August 9th, 2010. I'm Fan Yang, your technical analyst, and I'll go over some developments in the Forex market. The markets came out of the weekend in consolidation. The euro dollar and pound dollar pairs are both correcting last week's rally. The US dollar is gaining across the board. Even gold started its recent rally as if making way for the dollar comeback. A similar setup is spotted in the Aussie dollar pair. Still, these are premature signs and should not be seen as reversal signals just yet. The yen is sliding, and we can see that in the euro yen and pound yen pair. I'll finally follow up with the euro pound as I see further decline in this pair. This video is being produced at about 1:45 p.m. Eastern Time during the US trading session. Here's a euro dollar in 1 hour time frame. Let me just jump to daily real quick. And we have seen us travel in this channel. Next target is about 1.35 after it broke up above 1.3250. Price action still strong. Momentum showing, a little bit overbought and coming back down, but this is overall a bullish signal because the market came up, broke above 60, and now it's spending some time in the overbought zone. So in any case, we don't have any bearish signals yet, but in the 1 hour time frame, it seems like we have here a lower low, but this could be just a correction. So far it's been weak. It's been 50% retracement, testing also this 50 period moving average. Your RSI here testing 40. So if the market were to continue with strength, it should be bouncing up somewhere above 1.32. Okay, so it should be rallying even here at the 1.3230 level, 50% retracement. The market may find some support. Okay, so that's the bullish scenario. If the market, however, breaks below 1.32 and breaks below this rising trend line, look for it to be supported by this 200 moving average. But if that breaks too, then we may start thinking about the US dollar recovery. As I said, today's price action, although is bullish on the US dollar, has not convinced me that it will sustain. Same thing with pound dollar here. You see break above our channel here, but here after triple top, the market is declining. We're looking for support somewhere in the central pivot of this consolidation. You see around this area it was support and also resistance here. So the market is actually just hovering above that or at that level right now, 61.8% retracement at 1.59 area. So that's where there should be some support, and we'll see if the market can continue. If the market continues higher, it could go to 162.35. Although my opinion is that it should have a correction before heading up there. Here's the daily time frame. We see a possible bearish divergence forming if today's price action is followed by another tomorrow, which is another negative one tomorrow. So there looks like some short-term topping. So we may actually see the market come back down to test 1.55 to 200 moving average, previous high here. So, and then if the market is supported there, then we may have a rally into 1.6235, 1.63 area. Okay, so that's the euro and the pound dollar pairs. Moving on to gold with the symbol XAU/USD, and I've been bearish on gold, but after this this bounce, I was looking for some topping action before and seeing if we could get any clues for further bearish outlook. At the moment, we have your RSI here rally above this previous high here, so we may have a negative reversal signal if the market fails to break above this 250 moving average and this high here. So if this 50 moving average were to remain again as resistance, whereas here we had it as support, and then here broke and now resistance, so test a second time. So if there is resistance here and the price action, in fact if today's price action closed as is, we basically have a harami, which is the initial or early signal of a reversal, although we would obviously need more confirmation. But at the moment, this is a logical area to find some topping. As you map your Fibonacci from there, from this high to here, we see that it's retraced 50% of that decline. So gold looks like it may be topping, but again, premature. So looking at the 1 hour time frame, we see this possible double top, and now a break, testing its 50 moving average in the 1 hour time frame as well. Your RSI here is struggling to break below 40, so that would be a first sign that gold may again start to slide. If this RSI in the 1 hour time frame is able to break below 40 and into the overbought zone, oversold zone below 30, then that would be a good sign for your bearish outlook. Another good confirmation is if there's a decline, for example, to touch this moving average in a rally that fails to break through the central pivot of this consolidation, then that's another sign that we would have a bearish action going forward. But for now, we have bearish action at the near term, but unconfirmed at the moment. So that's that. And also, okay, one more thing about this time frame we're looking at, we have you see here we had some bearish divergence. Okay, but now what we're leading to is your RSI here being pretty much the same level as this level, but your price action is higher. Okay, so we may have some kind of positive reversal, which gives you sort of this type of projection. Okay, so look for that to develop. See if price action could come down below this central part of this correction, and then if a retest of that part can stand, this would be for the bearish outlook. And this is similar to the Aussie dollar as well at the moment. You see gold here in the past few weeks, a couple of weeks, that has been rallying. Aussie dollar has been rallying more than that, a couple of months now. But today, looking at 4 hour time frame, we see similar price action here. It's a 4 hour time frame, and you see this double top. Before I was looking at gold in 1 hour time frame, but if you look at 1 hour time frame here too, you see the similarity. You had this possible double top. Here's gold, double top. So let's see what kind of action occurs after this. For Aussie dollar hasn't been weak yet. Here, your 1 hour time frame RSI still above 40, and your 4 hour time frame RSI just coming off this top here. Also, you have this rallying, sort of leading kind of channel up, while you have a bearish divergence. Your RSI getting lower, but your price action is not. So there might be some further exhaustion move before a decline. That's for the Aussie dollar. And if the count here is correct, and you could check FXTimes for more details, I'm not going to go over them. Decline should be above 0.8850 if there is a decline, and then we could look for another rally towards 0.94, 94.50, which is this previous high here. Moving on to Euro Yen and Pound Yen, not much going on to start the week. The market here, you see Euro Yen stuck at just below 114. Pound Yen also stuck right after breaking its recent consolidation. Euro Yen still within this consolidation. So we'll see. There's some. If it's to be bullish, the Euro Yen should break above 60 here in the RSI. Same thing here. Pound Yen also should break above 60. So clues are still, the market's still looking for clues. The Yen actually started this week. Now let's look at the 1 hour time frame. The Yen lost a little to start the week, but now it looks like it's gaining again. So here's a Euro Yen. Again, we started the week with some Yen weakness, but the Yen now looks like it may actually get back some of those losses. So I'll keep my eye out for this pair, because this here was initially a bullish signal, but if the market comes back down and breaks below, then we continue to be in ranging, and possibly we possibly could have bearish signals. All right, 1 hour here in the Pound Yen again, consolidating, Yen gaining some control. The Euro Pound has been behaving very nice in this channel. Nice meaning it's respecting the channel resistance here, and has declined since. But this decline has slowed down, and you see the volatility kind of dry up here around 0.83 area. So there's, I still have some bearish bias on the pair, but there is a near-term correction. You see here's a 4-hour time frame. In the short term, actually, we have this correction. And last Friday, here is a ABC. We saw that the market could be topping off soon below or at 0.8350. And actually, this to start this week, we had some further attempt up, but then we had this very strong bearish signal. But again, we don't have a strong enough signal that the euro will continue lower until we successfully break below this channel. Okay, so continue. We may have A, B, C, D, E, so that we may have one more rally before the decline. And that's it for today. Make sure to check out FXTimes.com for more analysis, updates, and educational live events. Once again, I'm Fan Yang, your technical analyst here at FX Times, wishing you good trading.